Ready, start. The orders of remission passed by the state of Gujarat in respect of respondent numbers 3 to 13 is without jurisdiction and a nullity and thus, are liable to be quashed. Full stop. As regards the applicability of the relevant remission policy, learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that since the single inverted comma appropriate government single inverted comma close in the instant case is the state of Maharashtra, the remission policy of the state of Maharashtra would be applicable. Full stop. Thus, the remission policy of the state of Gujarat dated 9/7/1992 would be wholly inapplicable. Full stop. It was contended that the remission policy dated 9/7/1992 of the state of Gujarat was not even in existence as on the date for consideration of the remission applications, as it was scrapped by way of a circular dated 8/5/2014 pursuant to the letter of the central government circulated to all the states/UTs requiring the implementation of the judgment of this court in Sangeet versus State of Haryana, within bracket 2013 bracket close to SCC 452, wherein this court held that before actually exercising the power of remission under section 432 of the CRPC, the appropriate government must obtain the opinion of the presiding judge of the convicting or confirming court, and that the remission shall not be granted in a wholesale manner, such as, on the occasion of Independence Day, etc. Full stop. That pursuant to the cancellation of the policy dated 9/7/1992, the state of Gujarat came up with a new remission policy dated 23/1/2014, and even this policy would not entitle remission of the accused herein, for two reasons. Firstly, because the remission policy of the state of Maharashtra would be applicable as it is the single inverted comma appropriate government single inverted comma close, and secondly, the 2014 policy of the state of Gujarat bars the grant of remission to convicts of heinous crimes. Full stop. Relying on the opinion of the special judge, Sessions Court, Greater Mumbai, it was submitted that the a special judge had rightly stated that the remission policy applicable in the present case would be the policy dated 11/4/2008 of the state of Maharashtra, in respect of which the circular dated 13/6/2008 of the state of Maharashtra was issued, wherein a convict of communal crime, gang rape and murder would fall under the categories 2 within bracket C, 2 within bracket D and 4 within bracket E of the policy, which prescribes that the minimum period of imprisonment to be undergone by the convict before remission can be considered would be 28 years. Full stop. Thus, respondents dash convicts were not entitled to be granted remission as they had not completed the minimum period of imprisonment as per the applicable remission policy. Full stop. It was further contended that the remission orders under challenge failed to meet the criteria laid down by this court in Sangeet, and Ramchandar versus State of Chhattisgarh, within bracket 2022 bracket close 12 SCC 52, wherein it has been stated that the appropriate government must obtain the opinion of the presiding judge of the convicting court before deciding the remission application. Full stop. That the state of Gujarat granted remission to all the convicts by completely ignoring the negative opinions expressed by two major stakeholders. Full stop.